In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Auto-Animate in Adobe XD. If you've ever wanted your designs to glide, morph, and smoothly transition between states without writing code, Auto-Animate is your new best friend. We'll walk through setting up your artboards, wiring them together in prototype mode, choosing the right interaction settings, and previewing the final motion so you can fine-tune the feel. Start by creating 2 or more artboards. Think of these as snapshots of the same screen in different states. A simple way to work is to design your initial layout on the first artboard, then duplicate it to make your second artboard. On that second artboard, tweak the elements you want to animate. Move a button to a new position, resize a card, or change the color of a shape. Auto-Animate compares matching layers between artboards, so try to keep layer names and structure consistent. Duplicating the artboard first helps because everything starts out identical, and you only change what needs to move or transform. Once your 2 states are ready, switch to prototype mode by clicking the Prototype tab at the top of Adobe XD. This switches your workspace from designing to defining interactions. You'll see the same artboards, but now you can connect them and control how users navigate and how elements animate. Select an element on the first artboard, like a button the user would tap. You'll see a blue arrow or connector. Drag that arrow to the second artboard to link them. Look over to the interaction panel on the right. For trigger, pick how the transition should start. Tap for a click, drag for a swipe, time if it should autoplay after a delay, or hover for desktop effects. Set action to auto-animate, then choose the destination as your second artboard. Next, set easing and duration. Easing controls the feel of the motion. Ease in out is smooth and versatile, while bounce adds playful energy. For duration, try something around 0.3 to 0.6 seconds for snappy UI, or a bit longer for more dramatic changes. Now preview your work. Click the play button in the top right corner to open the desktop preview. Interact with your prototype, and watch as XD interpolates properties like position, size, rotation, opacity, and color between the 2 artboards. If something jumps instead of animating, check that layer names match and groups are consistent across both artboards. Adjust easing and duration until the movement supports your design intent. From here, you can chain additional artboards to build out multi-step flows, keeping your animations cohesive and purposeful.